Okay, good morning, good evening. ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay. Okay, good afternoon students. I will be explaining the milling today. The part C equivalent of the syllabus. You see the gear blank. Okay. First you should know what is indexing. Indexing is defined as dividing the gear blank into number of teeth. So there are three different types of indexing. You have simple indexing, compound indexing, differential indexing. So as of now, I will be explaining the simple indexing, that is required to divide the circular blank into number of teeth. So you go by this calculation now. So simple indexing. So whatever you see the diameter of the gear blank, that is 68 mm, what we have measured, and module is given on that is 2.5 mm. So number of teeth we have to calculate. Z equals d by m. So we know the diameter of the gear blank is 68 and module is 2.5. So from that we calculate number of teeth, that is 27 teeth can be cut on a gear blank diameter of 68 mm. So that is given by the formula simple indexing is equal to 40 by n. So we have calculated number of teeth by d by m. So 40 by 27, this we have to find out, keep it in the mixed fraction, 113 by 27. So when you divide 27 by 40, okay, so it is given by the mixed fraction. You will be landing into the mixed fraction 113 by 27. So what it means, the index crank should be rotated or given one full turn, and it should be moved by 13 holes on the 27 mm dia circle. So this we have a standard index plate where it is supplied by Brown and Sharp. You can see the different diameters here, 20, 21, 23, 27 up to 30 mm. So this is the gear blank what you see, and this is the milling cutter of 2.5 mm module. 2.5 mm module milling cutter, and this is the gear blank. What you see, the gear blank diameter is 68 mm. So this is the index crank plate where what we have calculated the mixed fraction 113 by 27. This is the 27 whole circle diameter. On this we have to move the index crank by one rotation. You have to take a reference, one reference, but you can mark a chalkpiece point, okay, so that is the reference. So one turn is given. From there you have to calculate 13 holes. 13 holes, then you have to fix it, okay, then you have to feed the milling cutter. So here, so once again we are showing, you take a reference, check this thing. So the index crank should be given reference. So one index turn is given. Now we have calculated 13 circles. So keep that as a reference, 13 circles. This is the one index turn. Then you have to fix it to the 13 circles. You have to move by 13 circles, okay, on the 27 mm diameter plate. Okay. So now he is giving the feed. So the milling cutter, it is now we are clearly cutting one teeth. So what is indexing? That is dividing the gear blank into number of teeth. Okay. So he is giving the feed now. So you can clearly observe the milling of the gear teeth. So slowly I am going to see, you can, the cutter, so you have to move to and fro, okay, so that until it cuts the material, okay. So this is the same procedure is followed for the remaining teeth, okay. So first you have to calculate the simple indexing. The formula is given by 40 by n. So from that, n is number of teeth that we have calculated. It is coming around 27 teeth. So 27 teeth can be cut on the 68 mm diameter gear blank, okay. So now we are moving the index milling cutter so that it is clearly cutting one teeth. So the same procedure is adopted for cutting the remaining teeth, okay. So you can clearly observe the movement of the milling cutter. Okay, so it is the formation of the gear teeth on the gear blank diameter. Okay. So depth of cut is given by D is equal to 2.25 times of module. Okay. So that you can calculate 2.25 into 2.5, that is coming around 6.7 somewhere. Okay. So that will be the depth of cut. So you can clearly observe the movement of the cutter. So the formation of gear teeth to be cut on the gear blank. So this is how in industries it plays a very important role in calculating the indexing. So as I told you, you have three types of indexing. One is the simple indexing, compound indexing and differential indexing. So right now what I have shown the calculation is simple indexing. Okay. So that is given by the formula 40 by n. Okay, thank you.